All that remains is to kill it.
So that's what you can do with the body. And now I'm going to show you how to make a cape with the skin.
I'm Nigella Lawson, and what I love about presenting this programme is the knowledge that at home, Frankie Boyle has just about ripped his cock off.
Well, here's one I fucked up earlier.
Welcome to One Fat Lady.
And here, what you want to do is put a little bit of the brown mixture in the tin and then sprinkle a little bit of hash on the top of it.
Well, these Korean meatballs really are the dog's bollocks.
If you're wondering how to get the perfect skin on your parsnips, then you're mental.
Hello, I'm Delia Smith, and today we're going to cook a panda.
Am I invisible in this fucking jacket?
I think you
So, I've marinated it for half an hour, seared it for 15 seconds, and now I'm drizzling it on my buttocks.
You just need two things to make this dish. What you need is a takeaway menu and a phone.
Tonight on Russian cookery, cyanide, polonium, and a crab stuffed with explosives.
Not going to be worth it now, is it?
While you're stuffing the lamb, put your hand over his muzzle so he can't cry for his mother.
If you don't have chocolate chips, you could just use your own shit.
This dish requires a little extra salt, so I'm going to fuck it.
Today, I've been making coq au vin. Now, I can't pull it out of the bottle.
I'm Nigella Lawson. Frankie.
And there we have it. A donut like a Boy Scout's arsehole.
The next topic is... Oh, sorry.
Oh, I got one in.
Sorry, Ed. Ed, would you
Fuck
like
you. Best man at his wedding, so I was. Cunt.
Okay, the next topic is... both feet on the step. Haven't got to it yet. I haven't announced the fucking topic. You can't be rushing in and tell you what it is.